What's up, folks? This is Zach with ECS Tuning, and today we're going to be doing another quick DIY on our B8 A4. We're going to be doing an oil change. Ours is a 2010, but this procedure should pretty much apply to any 2OT B8 A4. We're going to be using our oil change service kit. It includes a 5-liter jug of Liqui-Moly's Molygen in 5W40, a man filter, our ECS Tuning magnetic drain plug, and an ECS Tuning oil change sticker. And we include one of those with every oil change service kit we sell. As far as tools, it's going to be completely Schwaben tools. We've got a T25, a 6mm Allen, and a flathead bit from our 46-piece 1/4-inch drive socket set. If you still have your stock belly pan, you won't need the 6mm Allen. We only need that because we've got our street shield on it. We've got our Schwaben 14-flute oil filter wrench, a 14mm box wrench for the drain plug, a little inspection flashlight, and a 3/8 flex head ratchet with extension. And that's all we'll need to do the oil change, so let's go do it. All right, first things first, you want to have the engine at operating temperature. That's so that your oil is hot, so any debris in your oil or sediment is suspended within the oil, and then it'll flow right out the drain hole. Second, it's always a good idea to wear a bib. You never know what's going to happen. All right, so we're going to pop the oil cap, and we'll pop our ECS dipstick. If you're still living without a dipstick, you shouldn't be. You should get one of these, but that'll just let the oil flow out a little bit better. Now we're going to lift the car and drain. All right, so we're going to remove the belly pan now. If you've got the stock one, it's just going to be a bunch of 1/4 turns. We've got our street shield, so it's a bunch of 1/4 turns and 3 5mm Allen screws. They're T25 and flathead 1/4 turns. It's going to be really boring to watch, so we'll speed it up for you. All right, now we're ready to drain the oil. It's right there. It's a 14mm drain plug, so we're going to crack it and drain it. That's pretty smooth, huh? That's why we wear bibs. All right, now we're ready to put our nice new drain plug in. The torque spec on this is 30 Newton meters, but I am pretty confident I can do that by feel. So I'm not gonna use a torque wrench. Most people don't. You just wanna crush the washer, nothing more. All right, now we're ready to change the filter. We're gonna pop off our engine cover. We've got our carbon fiber one here, but it comes off just the same as the stock one. You just pull up. Get this rubber ring out of here. Got our oil filter socket. All right, a little bit of old oil on the gasket. And spin her on. And much like the drain plug, you don't want to over tighten the oil filter itself. You just want to, like once you get resistance, just maybe go another turn. You don't need to crank it on. You want to be able to get it off in a few thousand miles. That's about all you need. All right, so we're ready to pour the Molygen in. Capacity is 4.8 quarts, so that'll be most of this thing. Oh yeah, you see that green oil? So this stuff glows under UV light, and we include a little UV flashlight in the Molygen kits, and that lets you track down oil leaks if you have any. And it's got friction modifiers and all sorts of fancy oil stuff. All right, we've got about 4.8 quarts in there. Now we're ready to start it up to fill up the filter, and then we'll check our dipstick. You can also check in MMI, but I find that to be a little unreliable and it takes forever, so that's why we made a dipstick. That's pretty close. I think we might need a few drops more. No, that's right in the middle. That's good. All right, we'll put our engine cover back on, and we're ready to put our sticker in place. All right, and that's an oil change. Thanks for watching. You can check the link in the description below to get your oil change service kit. Give us a like on this video, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and we'll see you guys next time.